Mount Shasta is undoubtedly one of the must-see natural wonders in the USA, standing as a majestic and iconic symbol of Northern California. While it is not the only remarkable volcano in the American West, it is one of the most striking, dominating the landscape around it, with its towering peak that rises over 14,000 feet above sea level. The mountain's vast and imposing presence makes it a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Mount Shasta offers a variety of activities, from hiking and camping to mountaineering, with breathtaking views of the surrounding forests, lakes, and valleys. The area surrounding the mountain is perfect for camping, providing an opportunity to immerse yourself in the pristine wilderness and experience the beauty of this volcanic region up close. Additionally, Mount Shasta is home to some of the most stunning lava tube caves, which draw adventurers and explorers from around the world. Mount Shasta is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the natural wonders of the United States. Lake Tahoe, one of the must-see natural wonders in the USA, stands out as the largest alpine lake in North America, offering some of the most stunning natural scenery in the country. Located on the border between California and Nevada, is one of the most stunning natural wonders in the United States. As the largest alpine lake in North America, its crystal-clear waters reflect the surrounding Sierra Nevada mountains, creating a breathtaking landscape of snow-capped peaks, dense forests, and tranquil shores. In winter, Lake Tahoe becomes a sought-after destination for winter sports enthusiasts, offering world-class ski resorts. When the weather warms up, Lake Tahoe continues to shine as a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking trails wind through lush forests and along the lake's shoreline, offering spectacular views of the sparkling waters and surrounding mountains. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hiker, there are trails for all levels, from easy walks to challenging treks. Camping by the lake's edge is a popular activity, allowing visitors to enjoy the peaceful environment and reconnect with nature. The lake itself is perfect for water-based activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, fishing, and boating, where visitors can explore the many coves and enjoy the stunning scenery from the water. The peaceful, serene atmosphere of Lake Tahoe, combined with its natural beauty, offers a perfect escape for anyone looking to relax and unwind. If you're seeking adventure in the mountains or simply looking to take in the stunning views, Lake Tahoe has something for everyone year-round. Its remarkable combination of outdoor recreation, breathtaking scenery, and tranquil environment makes it a must-visit destination that will leave visitors with unforgettable memories.